Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will tell you about a medicine name is Xyloaid 2% jelly. It's an ointment and in the form of tube. I will tell you its uses, side effects when not to use, and in warnings I will tell you its free precautions and during pregnancy and drugs to avoid or not. I will tell you all of this, but before going further and telling you this, I will request you to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you can keep watching this kind of videos here. Now come to its medicine overview. First of all, I will tell you its uses. It is used to treat certain types of infections caused by bacteria. The topical ointment can be used to treat certain skin infection and to prevent infection in burns, minor cuts and wounds. Now come to its side effects: itching, pain, skin rash, scaling, swelling, redness, or other signs of skin irritation not present before use of this medication. Now going further, I will tell you when not to use. It is contraindicated in hypersensitivity, or we can say myasthenia gravis, Parkinsonism, intestinal or we can say obstruction, perforation of eardrum, renal impairment. These all are when not to use. Now come to its warnings, and first precaution is I will tell you about its first precaution. Before taking neomycin tablets, tell your doctor or pharmacist if you are allergic to it or to other or we can say aminoglycoside antibiotics such as tobramycin, or if you have any other allergies. This product may contain inactive ingredients which can cause allergic reactions or other problems. Talk to your pharmacist for more details. Now come to second precaution. This medication should not be used for more than 7 days without medical supervision. If there is no improvement after 7 days of using this medication, call your doctor. And its third precaution is I will tell you its third precaution is not for use in eyes or over large areas of body. And the fourth precaution is do not give this medication to children younger than 2 years of age. And during pregnancy, this drug may pose risks to your pregnancy. Therefore, please do not take this medicine without consulting your doctor first. Now, drugs to avoid: it may interact with aminoglycoside antibiotics, we can say gentamicin or tobramycin, and neuromuscular blocking agents. These are its drugs to avoid. Now, I will tell you that about this indications and warnings. You can hope see here with my bad camera result. Indication: surface, we can say anesthesia and lubrication, the male and female urethra during, we can say, cystoscopy, and there are many more. And you can see its dosage and administration here while you purchase it, and warnings also you can see, and also a highlighted name, other contraindications. This will be helpful for you. Hope you guys find this video informative and like it. Share it with your friends and subscribe my channel so you can keep watching this kind of videos here. See you next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye.